My name is Seth Horvi, the Keta Municipal Training Officer. I am also the CEO of the Key to Happy Life Concerts, as well as the coordinator for Jubilee Quiz competition. We are very happy that we are able to achieve what we have achieved so far, in that it was not easy from the beginning when the idea was conceived. And now that we have done a lot of interventions, but data is indicating that the performance of Keta Municipality and Anloga districts not up to what we expected it to be. The idea came that we would like to whip up the interest of our learners in a different form.
Mkwanya Lawrence Koshi for Magama to me, Madak Paramon Popoyata, Manya Jila, Nyoto and EP primary school, full school. Monkokwea uno, Lupo no the viola, Jubilee, and young Miara, Nayaba Anlo disease, Bakla Kita disease, or to Monkopoya, the view not to Monkopoya no balance Roma, Bakoba, Yara, at the Yagiba Yavioha, Abaku Monkopo, Abaswa Banganyala gown, the Katatisita Paklang or Disita, Ta Anyu. Ruya Mr. Plovida Tuma Ruruan Yoneba Niechilau, Plama Buguaru, Yaga Doloy, Anupakbarana, Ganyoguma Makoba, Ruruya, Adungo, Adamiaji, Hanamiavio, Vaviaton Yavio, Alaba Vieba, or Dung Song, Astrobala, Taflache, Godorman, no Master Babo, Gosmak, Panayo, or to Monkopoya, Astrobala, Achiraji, Makoba, Adamiaji, into. Apa?
Bang berkumpanya Daniel Achubato, Tie Chairman, Genui E, La Hubliangwa, Yama Turume, Anya hanya dicoba hanya su. Pergi Bapa Jamala, Makpeba Filatia La Hubliama, Nusosron, Alu La Hubliama, Aomba. Nous sommes en gaji le drapeau bibliata ala ba nya anyenya jiji ba posiawa onu ji malaka ko suba nya ko nu nya vio domi ko baba aleke uko anu asrome inchen fia ha bakaji ba ye wayiro akba.
The grand finale is happening live, or it's coming on live on the 3rd day of August 2023. In fact, we are inviting all those who are our viewers, everybody that is listening or viewing us. We're inviting you. We have invited some of our kings. Tagwi Zawu the 4th has been invited. Tagwi Hachu has been invited. Tagwi Nahru Tamaklo the 6th has been invited. Tagwi Joachim Akolache, Dufia of Keji, has also been invited. In fact, Professor Tagbo from UHAS has been invited. Professor Kwakume from Legon, now he's having his own hospital in Accra, has also been invited, and they all promise coming. So we invite all of you to join us. Let's come and motivate our children. Let's come and cheer them up so that together we can promote, we can help them. We can prepare them consciously so that the gap that has been identified will be bridged. We want to use this opportunity to thank the 2 education directorates, that is Keta Education Directorates and Anloga Education Directorates, for the support that we have had so far with them. We want to thank Jubilee FM for their support, for giving us their staff to support us. We want to thank Keta Beach Hotel so much for allowing us to use their conference room for the organization of the Champions Program. It's our hope and prayer that all Anglo descents, that is both abroad and home, would support this program so that we'll make it a very big program in the whole Anglo Kingdom. By extension, this could be extended to the whole region, where maybe primary or JHS would do it on regional district basis and meet together, where we'll see the regional champions. When this will begin to do this, it is going to bring a lot of changes in the life of our children, and it is going to improve academic performance in our respective schools, for that matter, the region, and to be specific, the Anglo Kingdom. Thank you so much for listening to us, and also for supporting or even preparing to support us. We are grateful for everything that you would like to give to us. We'll be very happy to acknowledge you as you support us. Thank you.